Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how to use the Hours of Curls hair growth oil cream. In this cream, it has Hours of Curls hair growth oil, which has 18 different vital herbs that are infused in the oil, which are in this cream. We also have mango butter. Mango butter is a subtle, non-greasy butter that is perfect for hair. If you want to know how to make this Hours of Curls hair growth oil cream, I will put the link in the comment section. So now let's get into the video. I've already washed and detangled my hair. Here are the Hours of Curls herbal hair growth creams. I'm gonna give y'all a look at what it looks like. It smells like lavender right now, but I might change the scent later. Here's a closer look at the cream. It's a milky texture, but it's still thick enough to define your curls. I apply the cream in sections. Since my hair is thick, this allows me to make sure that every part of my hair gets the cream. An important part for my looks and to define my curls, I like to brush out my hair with a wig brush. This allows the curls to gather up and actually form. Here's what it looks like when one side has the cream and has been brushed. Here's a look at both sides done. Next, I apply my gel. I like to use Eco because it mixes with everything and it is not pricey. Here's what it looks like when I'm completely done. This was made with the Hours of Curls herbal hair growth cream. I am having a giveaway soon, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do have a video on how to make this cream. If you want to make this cream and you're a DIY girly, then go ahead, go to the link and make your own. Let me know how it works out for you guys, and let me know if you like the consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space.